Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.